In the ever-evolving landscape of business technology, accounting software has undergone a significant transformation. Gone are the days when financial records were meticulously kept in bulky ledgers or confined to a single desktop computer. Today, cloud-based solutions have revolutionized how businesses manage their money, offering unparalleled flexibility and accessibility. Among the many accounting software options available, Kashoo often comes up in discussions, particularly for small businesses and freelancers seeking an easy-to-use solution. A core question then emerges. Is Kashoo web-based accounting software? As an accounting software expert, I can definitively confirm that yes, Kashoo is a web-based accounting software. This means it operates entirely in the cloud, allowing users to access their financial data and manage their accounts from any device with an internet connection. This is a fundamental characteristic of modern accounting solutions and a key reason for Kashoo's appeal to its target audience. Understanding web-based in accounting software. To fully appreciate what being web-based means for Kashoo and its users, let's break down the implications. Cloud-powered accessibility. The most significant advantage of web-based software is its accessibility. Your accounting data isn't stored on a single computer. It resides securely on remote servers, the cloud. This means you can log into your Kashoo account from your office desktop, your laptop at a coffee shop, your tablet at home, or even your smartphone while on the go. All you need is an internet connection and a web browser or the Kashoo mobile app. This flexibility is crucial for modern business owners who are often on the move or manage their finances outside traditional office hours. No software installation required. Unlike traditional desktop accounting software, think older versions of QuickBooks Desktop, you don't need to download, install, or maintain any software on your computer. This eliminates installation headaches, compatibility issues, and the need for regular manual updates. Kashoo handles all the software updates and maintenance on its servers, ensuring you always have access to the latest version with the newest features and security patches. Automatic data backup and security. For many small business owners, data backup is an afterthought until a disaster strikes. With Kashoo being web-based, your data is automatically backed up to their secure cloud servers. This significantly reduces the risk of data loss due to hardware failure, theft, or natural disasters at your physical location. Kashoo also employs industry-standard security measures, including encryption, to protect your sensitive financial information. Real-time collaboration. Web-based accounting facilitates seamless collaboration. If you work with an accountant or bookkeeper, you can grant them secure access to your Kashoo account. This allows them to view your financial data, reconcile transactions, run reports, and provide advice in real time, without the need to send files back and forth or work on different versions of your books. This greatly improves efficiency and accuracy in financial management. Integration capabilities. Cloud accounting platforms often integrate more smoothly with other web-based business tools. Kashoo, for example, integrates with services like Stripe for payment processing and other tools for payroll or expense management. This creates a more connected ecosystem for your business operations, reducing manual data entry and improving overall workflow. Kashoo's focus and features. Kashoo has carved out a niche for itself by focusing on simplicity and ease of use, primarily targeting small businesses, freelancers, and entrepreneurs who may not have extensive accounting knowledge. They pride themselves on offering the world's simplest accounting solution. Key features that highlight its web-based nature and suitability for its audience include intuitive dashboard, a clear, easy-to-understand dashboard that provides an at-a-glance view of your financial health, accessible from any device. Invoicing and payments. Create and send professional invoices from anywhere and allow clients to pay online directly through the portal, speeding up your cash flow. Expense tracking. Capture and categorize expenses on the go, often by snapping a picture of a receipt with your mobile device and uploading it directly to the cloud. Bank reconciliation. Connects with thousands of financial institutions to automatically import bank and credit card transactions, making reconciliation much faster and more accurate. Financial reporting. Generate essential reports like income statements, profit and loss, balance sheets, and cash flow statements, accessible anytime you need them for insights or tax preparation. Multi-currency support. essential for businesses dealing with international clients or vendors, demonstrating its global accessibility inherent in web-based platforms. The benefits of cloud accounting and kashoo for small businesses. For small businesses, the shift to web-based accounting software like kashoo brings several significant advantages. Cost-effectiveness. Often, web-based solutions are offered on a subscription model, eliminating large upfront software purchases and reducing IT infrastructure costs. Time savings. Automation of tasks like bank feeds, recurring invoices, and payment tracking frees up valuable time that business owners can dedicate to core operations. Reduced errors. Automation minimizes manual data entry, thereby reducing the chances of human error in financial records. Better financial visibility. Real-time data and accessible reports mean business owners always know their financial standing, enabling quicker, more informed decisions. Scalability. Cloud-based solutions can often scale with your business, allowing you to add users or features as your company grows, without needing significant software upgrades.